What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Vietnamese omelette. I loved eating this growing up. My parents used to cook this for me all the time, and now I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you. For a typical serving size of 2 people, you will need 3 eggs, 1 shallot or white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 strand of green onion, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of MSG. A lot of Asian dishes use MSG, but we're going to be using mushroom seasoning as a healthier alternative. But to be honest, it's still just as bad. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. To begin, we're going to cut our shallot. To do this, cut it in half. I prefer eating my shallots in thinly slices. You can do this as well, or you can mince them. Now we're going to mince our garlic. Make sure you cut off the butts on both ends before doing this. Now onto the green onions. Then put it aside for later. The next step is to grab a bowl and crack 3 eggs inside. One teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning and as much black pepper as you desire. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Green onions, and last but not least, good old shallots. Once they're all in, you'll want to beat the eggs until they're all mixed together. Notice how I'm tilting the bowl and beating the eggs in a circular motion. This is how you get it to mix well. It should turn out like this. Then grab a pan and add your cooking oil, just a small amount. Turn the oven to medium-high heat. Wait until the pan is warmed up. Then toss in your minced garlic. Using a cooking utensil, move it around so that it can spread evenly across the pan. Wait until it has a nice golden color to it. Make sure you don't leave it in too long or it'll have a burnt taste to the omelet. Once ready, slowly pour the eggs in. After a few seconds, you'll want to push the edge inwards so then the uncooked part can hit the hot surface. This allows the egg to cook evenly. You might have to do this multiple times for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.